Hey guys, today we're going to read Red. It is a book by Michael Hall. He was red, but he wasn't very good at it. Oh dear, said Olive. His teacher thought he needed more practice. I'll draw a red strawberry, then you draw a red strawberry. You can do this, really. But he really couldn't. Like this. Oh my, let's try again. His mother thought he needed to mix with other colors. Why don't you two go out and draw a nice round orange? A really big one, said Yellow. A really orange one, said Red. But they made a big greenish one. Yuck, said Yellow. Oops, said Red. His grandparents thought he wasn't warm enough. Your class is making self-portraits for Parents' Night. Wear this warm red scarf. Nice, it's so you. But it so wasn't. Everyone seemed to have something to say. Amber said, "Sometimes I wonder if he's really red at all." Hazelnut said, "Don't be silly, it says red on his label." Cocoa Bean said, "He came that way from the factory." Fuchsia said, "Frankly, I don't think he's very bright." Grape said, "Well, I think he's lazy." Army Green said, "Right? He's got to press harder." Steel Gray said, "Really apply himself." Sunshine said, "Give him time, he'll catch on." Sea Green said, "Of course he will." But he didn't catch on. There was a green frog, a black sheep, a brown cow, and a red... All the art supplies wanted to help. The masking tape thought he was broken inside. This will help to hold you together. The scissors thought his label was too tight. One snip should do it. I thought he wasn't sharp enough. Stay still now. But even with all of our help and all of his hard work, he just couldn't get the hang of it. One day he met a new friend. "Will you make me a blue ocean for my boat?" "I can't, I'm red." "Will you try?" So he did. "Thank you, it's perfect." "You're welcome, it was so easy." And he didn't stop there. Bluebells, blue jeans, bluebirds, blueberries, and a blue whale. "I'm blue." He was blue, not red, and everyone was talking. Olive said, "My son is brilliant." Amber said, "Who could have known he was blue?" Hazelnut said, "I always said he was blue." Cocoa Bean, "It was obvious." Berry, "His blue ocean really lifted me up." Sea Green said, "All of his hard work makes me so happy." Brown said, "His blue strawberries are my favorite." Apple Green said, "He's so intense." Yellow said, "I'm going to make a green lizard with him, a really big one." Gray said, "I hear he's working on a huge new project." Scarlet said, "He's really reaching for the sky." And she really was. The end.